just landed in Tokyo, Japan. After, what, 10 hours, I believe? But, we here. How was the flight, long? Short, huh? What am I really fast? We are getting on the Hamahashu Habushi. We are 17 minutes away from our hotel, and we're staying at the Mitsubishi. I'm just playing. It's not called Mitsubishi. It's called Mitsui Garden Hotel, and it's very nice. And I will show y'all when we get there. Until then, we are on the. If you arrive in Tokyo, Japan, and you plan on renting a vehicle, you better know how to drive on the right hand side. If you don't, please don't rent, because if you crash, get any scratches, that fine is yours. Highly suggest you figure it out. We are staying in room 601. Here is the entrance. I'm coming in.
What type of toilet is that?
That is a so this is the restroom. It's beautiful. I'm loving it. Okay.
They got a massage
Shower. I can massage my butt.
Yeah, and a spray.
That's a bidet.
And a spray and a nozzle.
A bidet. I told Daddy I want one. This is a bidet where here's all your controls to clean your butt. When you finish shitting, is that a window? No. Okay, just pull it back. Oh wait. Okay, fashion at its finest. Oh wait, we go outside. Is it locked? Wait, is it locked, love?
Yeah.
Okay, keep it locked. This right here is the tub, shower. Okay. Okay, aesthetics come through. I see you. I'm loving the dark gray, light gray combo. Okay, and then here is our room.
This mirror makes you can really see all your pimples, everything.
Yeah. So we have a 2 queen size beds overlooking the city. Here's the TV. We're in a corner view, so we have like a 360 view or whatever. We have a wraparound balcony. As you can see, the city is beautiful, and that's me, Bookie, still in my airport clothes. Okay. She got an entrance to her balcony on this side too, and if I'm not mistaken, let me find out, but I think this is a stadium, and there's another stadium outside as well. Let's go on the balcony. Look at that view. Look at this view, y'all. This is beautiful. And it is so clean out here. Literally. So this is a stadium. I just don't know which stadium, so I'm gonna look. That is also a stadium right there. And Tokyo is nothing but city life, like literally city life. People outside, walking, doing their day-to-day. They're very friendly, nice, clean. Clean, clean, clean. That's one of the most important things I've noticed since we landed. They are very clean. And we finna go hit the road. We finna get freshened up. And for we finna go outside. We in the club. We all fam. So me and the twins, we are on Harajuku Street, where it is super busy, and y'all will see once we get down there. This street.
Big dog, hoe ain't getting on big dog. Do it for the grand, that's big dog. Bitch wanna run with the big dog. We burn it deep real quick. Big dog, big dog, freestyle. Big dog, bitches wanna run with the big dog. Ran up 100 in the money. Wish I was playing, but bitch,